Welcome to Iconic Props. I'm Mason. I like to break shit. And make shit. Grab tools. Let's do something. Be somebody. At the end of my last video, I had a little bit of silicone left. I took a little tape, I took some corrugated plastic, I took a part I had laying around, and I whipped up a super quick mold to show you what you can do in just a matter of minutes to use a little bit of silicone up, test some things, make a quick throwaway mold, and most importantly, not waste your silicone. So, without any more yapping, here's how I did it.
Six and a half hours later.
Alright, that's it. That's all there is to it. You've seen everything there is to know about making a super quick mold out of spare silicone. So like, subscribe, follow, wherever you're seeing this, please. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section down below. All comments are welcome. If you have any questions, now's a good time because I have no followers. So it's just you and me. Private session. Let's do this. Deuces. Be somebody, would you?